today we're going to do an experiment that talks about germs. So we know that when we go outside or when we're done playing with Play-Doh or sand or something that's messy, or after we go to the bathroom, or maybe it's time to sit down to eat something and we have to wash our hands, we know that we are supposed to use soap. That's what I have here in my little jar. So today we're going to see why we have to use soap when we wash our hands. So what we're going to use is a bowl. It can be any bowl you have. I'm going to use this little bowl. Some water. I have some water here in my cup. Like I said, we need our soap because that's what we use to wash our hands. And we're going to pretend that this pepper is the germs that are on our hands. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our bowl and we're going to take our water and we're going to pour our water into our bowl. Alright, and then we're going to pretend that the water is like our hand, and our hand has the germs on it. So we're going to take our pepper and we're going to sprinkle it onto our water to make it look like our water or our hand has all kinds of yucky germs. And then we're going to take our soap. I'm just going to grab the camera so you guys can see a little bit better what we're going to do. So now we see the water and it has all the little flecks of all the pepper. And like I said, we're going to pretend that that is our germs. So when we wash our hands, we always have to use soap. So for this, we're not going to use our whole hand. We're just going to use our finger. And we're going to dip it into the soap. Make sure our finger gets some soap on it. I'm going to take off some of the extra. And we're going to see what happens to the germs when the soap tries to touch the germs. So we're going to try and touch our germs. And did you see that? All of the germs that were in the middle, they all run away. And if you can see on my finger where I have the soap, there's no germs. So I didn't get any pepper on my finger because the soap and the germs, they don't like each other very much. So see, if I use maybe my pinky finger that didn't have any soap and I put it in the water, you see that? I get all kinds of yucky germs all over my hands and they kind of stay there. They don't really come off. See that? But if I use my finger with some soap and try and put it on there, look, I'm touching all the germs and they're not getting on my finger. See, so that's why, friends, when we are done playing and our hands are all dirty, we need to make sure we get soap and water. I'm going to post another video of another song that will help us to learn how to wash our hands. Or always remember that when we wash our hands, you can sing this simple song. You get your water, you put some soap, and then you rub your hands together and you sing top and bottom, in between, rub them all together, now they're clean, nice and clean. And then you rinse them off and all the germs go down the drain, and you get your towel or your paper towel and you dry your hands and your hands are all clean. Alright friends, I hope you liked this experiment today. We'll see you next time. Bye!